Meet the world's happiest animal, the Quokka's adorable adventures.
Explore Rottnest Island, Quokka's idyllic sanctuary amidst lush greens. Discover the plant-based diet that fuels a Quokka's lively life. Quokkas balance solitude and sociability, mirroring the rhythms of nature. Unveiling the secret swimming skills of the endearing Quokka. The timeless bond between a Quokka mother and her joey is heartwarming. Quokkas as nature's gardeners, essential to ecosystem balance. Explore efforts to save the vulnerable Quokka from environmental threats. Witness the magic of the Quokka's iconic smile and its lasting impact.